We've just finished now. So this is the duct for the positive input ventilation system. That's the only bit you see in the hallway. And then up in the loft, we've got the pipe that goes into the Envirovent machine here, and it just filters out all the airborne particles which give you asthma, and the pollen and mould spores. They're really good, especially if you've got someone that suffers from asthma. They're really great. And I mean, it's a lovely job here. We've put this little board down and these little rubber feet so they doesn't vibrate. There's the power supply. Fortunately, the power doesn't go on for another month, so you have to pretend it's working. So in each of the bathrooms, the toilets and the kitchens, we've also got the Envirovent trickle fans, which just help. They just run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it just helps to circulate the air around the house. So I mean, if you've got mould, it gets rid of it, and there's no other way really of doing it other than putting these units in, because it just filters them out. So I mean, they're great. Made a lovely job of this one. Really nice.